Have you ever wondered what it's like to walk through the ancient streets of Rome? Imagine strolling on cobblestone pathways, the echoes of history whispering in your ear as you pass by magnificent remnants of a bygone era. This is Rome, the eternal city, where every stone tells a story. Rome's tale begins with a legend, a tale of two brothers, Romulus and Remus, who were raised by a she-wolf. From this humble narrative, Rome emerged, growing from a small Latin village to become the pulsating heart of an empire that stretched from the sun-drenched sands of Africa to the cold, rugged highlands of Britain. Once the epicenter of power, culture and intellect, Rome was the beating heart of one of the greatest civilizations the world has ever known. Its influence can still be felt today in our laws, our culture and our spirit. The city that once was the heart of one of the greatest civilizations in history, Rome, continues to captivate the world with its enchanting allure. Ever marveled at the grandeur of Roman architecture? It's hard not to. The city is a museum showcasing Roman genius. Consider the Colosseum, an amphitheater symbolizing Roman grandeur. Then there's the Pantheon, a temple to all gods, its dome and oculus inspiring countless buildings globally. The Roman Forum, the empire's heart, narrates tales of political, religious and commercial prowess. These wonders are not just remnants, they're shaping our world. Every brick, every path, every monument in Rome has a story to tell, a testament to the architectural prowess of the Romans. In the heart of Rome sits an architectural masterpiece, the Pantheon. This grand temple was dedicated to all the gods, a testament to the Romans' profound spirituality and their respect for the divine. As we step inside, we are greeted by the massive dome, a spectacle that has left visitors awestruck for centuries. The oculus, the Pantheon's central opening to the sky, bathes the interior with a divine light, creating an ethereal atmosphere that is nothing short of magical. And let's not forget the Pantheon's influence on architecture worldwide. This Roman marvel has inspired countless buildings around the globe, from the US Capitol to St. Peter's Basilica. Its timeless design principles continue to shape our cities and our perception of space. The Pantheon isn't just an architectural wonder. It's a testament to the Romans' vision and craftsmanship, a beacon of their enduring legacy. In Rome, the Pantheon stands as a reminder of the city's past, a symbol of its architectural prowess, and a beacon for all who visit the Eternal City. Nothing says Italy like a plate of authentic Italian pizza. As we delve deeper into the heart of Roman culinary traditions, we find ourselves in front of a pizzaiolo, an artisan of pizza kneading a thin, crispy crust, the bedrock of any Roman pizza. Fresh, ripe tomatoes are spread across the dough, followed by dollops of creamy mozzarella cheese and sprinkles of aromatic basil, the colors mirroring the Italian flag. The pizza is then slid into a wood-fired oven, the flames licking the edges, baking it to a golden perfection. But pizza isn't just food in Rome, it's a symbol of Italian culture, a source of national pride. It embodies the Italians' love for simple, fresh ingredients, their passion for food, and their knack for turning the ordinary into extraordinary. As you take a bite, you don't just taste the crispy crust, the tangy tomatoes, the creamy cheese, or the fragrant basil. You taste Italy. In Rome, pizza isn't just a meal, it's a culinary masterpiece, a symbol of Italian tradition. What's a journey without savouring the local flavours? Now let's talk about the delights of Roman cuisine. Imagine tucking into a hearty plate of pasta carbonara, a classic Roman dish where the creaminess of the eggs and cheese marries perfectly with the crunch of pancetta. Or sinking your teeth into a traditional thin-crust pizza topped with fresh ingredients. And let's not forget the quintessential Italian desserts. Can you taste the sweet and tangy flavour of a perfectly made tiramisu, or the creamy richness of a scoop of gelato on a warm Roman day? Indeed, Roman cuisine is a unique blend of simplicity and sophistication. It's about letting quality ingredients shine, creating a symphony of flavours that dance on your palate. It's a culinary tradition steeped in history, from the hearty meals of the Roman legions to the refined cuisine of the Renaissance. In Rome, food isn't just sustenance, it's a way of life. A tale spun around a dinner table, a love letter to its people. Ever wondered about the rhythm of daily life in Rome? It's a symphony composed of bustling piazzas, lively conversations, and the clinking of espresso cups. The Roman way of life is a fascinating blend of tradition and modernity. The city pulses with vibrant culture, from passionate football matches to the quiet reverence of religious festivals. At the heart of this culture are the Roman people, warm, welcoming, and ever ready to share a story or a smile. Their love for life is infectious, making every visitor feel like a part of the Roman family. Turning our attention to Rome's economy, it's a dynamic mix of fashion, film, and technology industries, all underpinned by a robust tourism sector. Now, if you're planning a visit, the best time to step into this living painting is during spring or autumn. The weather is pleasant, the city is less crowded, and the charm of Rome is at its peak. Living in Rome, even for a short while, can feel like stepping into a living painting, a vibrant blend of the past and the present. Isn't it time you experienced the magic of Rome? From the whispers of history echoing through the Colosseum to the grandeur of the Pantheon, Rome's architectural wonders stand as a testament to its illustrious past. As you wander through the city's winding streets, you'll encounter the flavors of Rome, a gastronomic paradise where traditional dishes and innovative culinary creations blend seamlessly. Pasta carbonara, gelato, Roman-style pizza, each bite is a love letter to the city's rich culinary heritage. But it's not just the food or architecture that makes Rome a must-visit, it's the Roman way of life, the La Dolce Vita. It's the leisurely strolls along the Tiber, the animated conversations over a cup of espresso, the warmth of the Roman people. Rome is a city where the past and present coexist, where every corner holds a story, where beauty and history intertwine. So, why wait? Plan your trip to Rome and let the city of history, art and gastronomy captivate your heart. Rome awaits you.